still there, another unboxing. Now this is from the beautiful Tazmin Moore. She's on Instagram and she said, oh, I've got a load of stuff. Do you want it? And I'm like, yeah, all right. Bless her, she's already sent me so much, seriously. Very, very, very grateful. So again, this is like Christmas. She says a few bits. I mean, look, oh my goodness. She said a few flowers. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Oh, Tazmin. I was going to buy more of these as well. You are a mind reader. Oh, I love these. Look at these moulds. And I need purple glitter. How do you know? How do you know these things? Rebel glitters. I've heard about these. Oh, black opal. Fabulous. Look at that blue. Gosh. Right, foils. Amazing. Thank you. Look at these. I really need to do more with flowers. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. They are so, so beautiful. Look at this colour. This is, I don't know what. Oh, there we go. Blue geode glitter. Gorgeous. So beautifully packaged as well. And now, I don't know what this is. But honestly, Tazmin, you're so generous. I'm so aware that I still haven't done your seascape, which I am going to do, definitely. I think I need to do that next, really, don't I? Need to just stop talking about it and get on with it, woman. Oh my goodness, it's like Christmas. Right. Oh, just can't believe how generous you are, lady. It's just really, really just can't believe it. Over and above. Right, what's this? Probably a reason why it's so well packaged. Ooh. This is white ignition dust. Darling, I need to know how to use this. I've got no idea. Sorry, my Dorset accent coming out there. Because I be a Dorset lass. Down by the farmyards and cowpats. Oh, I love this stuff. This looks amazing in resin. Absolutely amazing. And beautiful rose petals. Love rose petals. Oh, wow. What is this? Oh, lady. My hands are shaking. So excited. Honestly, I just thought you were going to send me a few flowers, which is generous enough, you know. Over and above. Oh, wow. Look at that colour. That is fabulous. Moody purple. Isn't that just the best name? Moody purple. And then what's this? I should have opened this earlier, really. Sorry it's taken me so long. Just been mad, my end. Oh, what a lovely colour. Delicate rose. And look, the two go beautifully. So I think I'm going to be using that, definitely. Right. No idea what these are. I think these might be, I'm not quite sure what these are. Ah, wow. I have no idea how to use them, but aren't they beautiful? Aren't they just stunning? Look, and green. Perfect for Christmas coming up. Oh my goodness, what's these? Honestly, this is the box that just keeps giving, doesn't it? Just keeps giving. Wow. Oh, aren't those beautiful? Wow. Do you know, I would love to see your store, your craft room, Tazmin, if this is what you're giving me. I'd love to know what you keep, because, oh, look. Look at the little leaves. Wow. I just love these. Just beautiful. Are they? Oh, look at these. Wow. These are just stunning. Trying not to drop any. Gorgeous, hey? Absolutely gorgeous. And the green, look at that green. So beautiful. Wow, more rose petals. I have so many rose petals now. I really need to use them up because they tend to go brown fairly quickly. So, right, what do we have here? This is just endless. Oh, wow! Look at these! Oh, I love. Oh, gosh. And then I think these must be more flowers. Wow. Is that everything? It's like the box that just keeps on giving. Right, let's have a look. What's this? Oh, definitely more flowers, I think. Lavender. Oh, wow. I love lavender. It was my grandmother's favourite. Oh, it's lavender and rose petals. Beautiful. Oh, I wish you could smell this, isn't it? Oh, it's just stunning. Right, definitely going to need to do a load with that. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Tazmin. You're amazing. I really can't thank you enough. That's all for now. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.